In today's video, I will teach you how to dock the toolbox in GIMP. Let's get started. To efficiently navigate GIMP's interface, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with its features. To dock the toolbox in GIMP, first go to the menu bar, go to Windows, then select Single Window Mode to disable it. Then enable it again. This action should neatly dock the toolbox on the left side. If however you accidentally closed the toolbox, you can restore it by opening the Windows menu. Then select the recently closed docks, then choose the entry with Toolbox. If you closed GIMP and reopened it, use the New Toolbox option in the Windows menu. If these methods fail, consider resetting the user interface layout. To do this, go to the menu bar, go to Edit, then go to Preferences. On a Mac, you can find the Preferences in the GIMP application menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to Window Management in the left pane. Then find the Reset Saved Window Position to Default Values button and click it. GIMP will notify you that the changes will take effect upon the next load. Now, click OK, then OK in the main Preferences window. Now, close and reopen GIMP to see if the toolbox is restored. If issues persist, consider using the Reset button in the main Preferences window as a last resort. Note that this action will reset any customizations that are made to GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.